What's the name of this area?
The capsule.
Renal capsule, right? Renal capsule. And this layer, what's the layer? Renal cortex. And this, what is this area? Medulla. And what are these? Is the tiny the U-shaped structure right here? Curve.
Loop of Henle.
The loop of Henle. Loop of Henle. Okay. A loop of Henle from this area. And the renal cortex. In the renal cortex, you see this structure. Okay. This is called. What's the name of this?
Bowman capsules.
Bowman capsule. Okay. Bowman capsule.
Afferent.
And this one, what is this? What kind of tissue is this?
Adipose.
No. Squamous epithelium.
Yes.
Okay. Parietal layer. And these are the visceral layer, right? Parietal layer. What are these structure right here? This structure. It starts with a P. Podocytes. Podocytes. And these are glomerulus, right? Glomerulus. And this artery, arteriole, small artery. What's the name of this small artery? Efferent arteriole. And what is this? Collection of cells.
Juxtaglomerular cells.
Juxtaglomerular
Cells.
cells, right? And collectively, this is called juxtaglomerular apparatus, right? What's the name of this area right here?
Macula densa.
Macula densa. It's not macula lutea, okay? Macula densa. Macula densa, JG cell, juxtaglomerular cells, and blood comes to the capillary and purify. And what's the name of the liquid comes in this area? Filtrate of plasma. Filtrate of plasma. And the clean blood goes this direction. What is the name of this one? Efferent. Efferent arteriole, right? Efferent arteriole. And what's the name of this area?
Proximal convoluted tubule.
Or proximal convoluted tubule starts from here. This, what's the name of this tubule? Distal convoluted tubule, right, as a whole. And let's go here. So here, okay, in the kidney right here, in the kidney, when the urine drops from here, this area, from the collecting duct, this area is called renal papillae, and this structure, minor calyx, right? When these two minor calyx come together, what's the name of this area? Major calyx, right? Major calyx. And all these major calyx come together, the urine comes here in this area. Renal pelvis, this area, renal pelvis, this one, and this one is called? Ureter. So urine goes to the urinary bladder, right? So this structure, gallbladder structure, these are called renal corpuscle or renal corpuscle. You see this one, Bowman capsule. Bowman capsule inside, right? Bowman capsule. The renal corpuscle right here. See, this is a dissected area. This is a glomerulus, right? So glomerulus. This one is called efferent arteriole. Whichever comes out, that's called efferent arteriole, right? And this one is called Bowman capsule. And the tube coming from here, this tube is called PCT, proximal convoluted tubule, up to here. And it goes down. This is called thick descending loop of Henle. This one,
Loop of Henle.
yeah, loop of Henle, and this one, ascending loop of Henle, going upward direction, and this distal convoluted tubule, and the liquid water or waste product comes here. This is called collecting duct, and it will drop in this area. What's the name of this one? Renal? Papillary duct. Renal papillae. And this structure, renal papillae, right here. Urine drops in this area. And here you can see here also. See this structure right here? This one is called? Renal papillae, right? And urine flows to the minor calyx. So one more thing I want to explain to you. I'm going to talk about the blood circulation inside the kidney. Okay, thank you.